Okay, but a question for you, try out yourself because you have to simply simplify and give your answer in exponential form. Let's move on to the next question. We'll move on to question number 5, which is simplify. Now 64, because the fractional power is there, so 64 is written as 4 power 3, p power 3 and 4 power 3. Now this outer power will be for the first base as well as the second base. So 4 power 3 into this outer power, p power 3 into this outer power. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, we are left with 4 power 4. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, we are left with 4 p power 4. 4 power 4 is 256 and p power 4 is p power 4 only. You cannot change it. So this is your final answer. Now the next power, the first part is the root power, the third root. So what I am going to do is this root I am going to remove and I am going to put as a fractional power. Same thing we will do in the second part. It's the fourth root. We will make it 1 by power 4. Now one base, one power inside, one power outside, powers will be multiplied, and we do it for x, we do it for y, and we do it for z in the first part, divided by, in the second bracket also we do it in the same way. Power 4, multiply the two powers for y and multiply the two powers for z. Finally we are left with x power 2, y power minus 3, z power 4 divided by x power 1, y power 2 and z power minus 1. In division, when bases are same, powers are subtracted. So for x, 2 minus 1, for y, minus 3 and minus 2, and for z, 4 minus, this is minus 1. So x is 1, y is minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5, and this is 4 minus and minus plus 1. Finally you have x, negative power, reciprocate, it becomes positive, and 4 plus 1, z power 5. That's your final answer. Now question 6, simplify. First of all, fractional power, change your base into exponential form. Fractional power, change your base into exponential form. Fractional power, change your base into exponential form. 3 and 3 gets cut, you have 2 to the power 2n. 6 and 6 gets cut, you have 2 to the power minus n. 3 and 3 gets cut, you have 3 to the power 4n. In multiplication, bases are same, so subtract the powers. Add the powers. First power plus the second power. Denominator is 3 to the power 4n. Next we have numerator 2n. Minus plus is minus n, and this is 3 to the power 4n. On solving this, you get 2 to the power n upon 3 power 4n means 3 has a power 4 also and 3 has a power n also. I am taking power 4 inside and n power outside so that it becomes common. Now 2 power n and 3 power n, 2 and 3 power 4 is 81 and power n. So finally what we do is 2 by 81 is put in a bracket and this n is taken common. If you want to stop here and give your answer as 2 power n upon 81 power n, that is also correct. Otherwise you can take it common and give the common power. So next part, this is n plus 1, n minus 1. So this is division line, bases are same, first power, and generally it is upper power minus the lower power, but here n is plus, it will become minus, and 1 is minus, it will become plus. Same thing we do for 4 also. Upper power minus the lower power. So n is plus, it becomes minus, and 1 is minus, it becomes plus. Plus n and minus n gets cut, we have 2 to the power 2. Plus n minus n gets cut, we have 4 to the power 2. 2 power 2 is 4 and 4 power 2 is 16. 4 into 4, 16 is 64. Now the next part, base is 4, base is 16. So as the base is 4, we convert the 16 also as 4 power 2. And the second power, 16 as 4 power 2. 4 same, keep it same, 16 can be written as 4 power 2, and there is a second power. Now what we do here is, this is same, 4 has 2 powers, multiply, 2 into n is 2n and 2 into 1 is 2. Same thing we do here in the denominator part. 2 into n is 2n and 2 into 1 is 2. Now this is being multiplied, so in multiplication bases are same, add up the powers, no power is 1 plus 2n plus 2. Multiplication bases are same, add the powers, 2 plus 2n. Multiplication bases are same, add up the powers, no power is 1 plus 2n plus 3 minus 2n plus 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 2n plus 3, 2 plus 2n, 2n plus 4, 2n plus 2. Now in addition and subtraction, we can take common also. So base 4 and base 4 taken common, 2n and 2n taken common, and this is plus 3 and this is plus 2. So the lower part will be, smaller part will be taken common. And what are we left now? Whatever is left is put in a bracket. Now from the first 4 power 2n plus 3, we have taken 4 power 2n plus 2. So power 1 is left. So 4 power 1 is left minus. This whole thing is taken common. Nothing is left. That means it's 1. Same thing we'll do in the denominator. 4 and 4 common. 2n and 2n common. This is plus 4 and plus 2. Take the smaller value common, plus 2. In the bracket, what is left? Now out of this, this is plus 4 and we have taken 2 common, so 4 power 2 is left, minus this whole thing is taken, nothing is left, that means it's 1. Gets cancelled because it's same. 1 and 1. It gets cut. 4 power 1 is 4 minus 1. 4 power 2 is 16 minus 1. The numerator is 3, the denominator is 1. And on cancelling, we get 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. The final answer is 1 upon 5. So for this question, that's the fourth part. You can take it as your homework. Thank you.